Meaning of good name.
Good name.
Good name.
Good name.
Good name. The phrase good name refers to the reputation or standing that a person has earned in society. It is often said that a good name is more valuable than great riches because it represents a person's character, integrity, and trustworthiness. Having a good name can bring respect, honor, and opportunities, while a bad name can result in shame, ostracism, and loss of opportunities. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build a good name, but it can be easily lost through careless actions or unethical behavior. Ultimately, a good name is a reflection of who you are as a person and how you treat others.